Right now, millions of people are not chasing success, they are chasing survival. And if you are constantly thinking about bill pressure or how will you manage this month, you're not behind, you are in level 1. And until you escape this level, nothing else truly begins. What survival really means? Survival is not laziness, it's a constant pressure. It's waking up with financial stress already in your mind. It's working not because you inspire, but because you afraid. Afraid of failing behind, afraid of losing stability, afraid of not having enough. You are in survival mode. Your brain focus on short-term safety, not long-term growth. You think 5 years ahead. You think 5 days ahead. And that mindset slowly limits your vision. The hidden physiological trap. There most people don't understand survival mode change your thinking. When stress is constant, your brain immediately relief, scrolling, comfort food, temporary distraction, not skill building, not investing, not planning. It's not weakness, it's a biological, but biology can be managed. Let's take a real life example. Imagine someone who do two jobs. They wake up at 6 a.m. They come home exact at 10 p.m. They want to start a business. They want to learn coding. They want to build something bigger. But every night they too tired to think clearly. So day turns into month, month turns into year. The dream doesn't die because they lack talent. It fades because survival consumes all their energy. That's the silent trap in level 1. Why people stay here? Because survival feel urgent, and urgent always win over important. Paying rent feel urgent, building a future build optional. Some people postpone growth. I will start when thinking clamp down, but things rarely clamp down on their own. Without strategy, survival becomes permanent. How to escape from survival? Escaping level is not about motivation, it's about control. First, stabilize your income. Don't chase passion immediately, build a predictable base. Second, reduce pressure. Track expenses, cut unnecessary cost, start removing debt slowly. Pressure decreases when clarity increases. Third, build one valuable skill, even 30 minutes a day if enough. Constant create moment. Fourth, create a small emergency buffer. Saving create physiological freedom, and physiological freedom always bigger thinking. Fifth, schedule thinking time. 1 hour a week to plan, because growth begins when you stop reaction and start designing. Powerful truth. There is no shame in being in survival. Everyone start here, but staying here too long shrink your potential. Survival is a stage, not a sentence. When you escape survival, you enter in level 2 stability, and stability feels safe, comfortable, secure, but comfort can quickly kill ambition. In the next video, we break down level 2 and why most people get comfortable and never climb higher. The staircase continue. Subscribe for second episode, which was stability.